Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am sharing with you my morning routine. This is typically what I do every single morning right after my workout. However, this was done on a Sunday morning, so the routine was a touch different. It was my rest day, so I did not work out, so I'm not wearing my workout clothes, but I do start one of the first things that I do, and this is what I do every single morning, is my laundry. I like to do a load of laundry every single morning. I have a couple different things that I do, definitely aside from like your darks and your whites. I wash all of our underwear separately, then I wash all of the kitchen rags separately from everything else, and I wash. I use reusable makeup wipes and all that stuff, and that's washed separately, so I have enough laundry to do pretty much every single day. My kids typically empty the dryer and every night for me, so that way in the morning I just switch out the machines, put the new load in, let it run, and then they'll empty it out at night. If there's stuff hanging, I'm the one that takes it down, and then I just put it in front of their rooms and they put it away whenever they have a chance to do so. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button. I post cleaning videos every single Monday, and then on Wednesday, right now I am doing organizational videos, and I'm working through a 10-week to a clutter-free home challenge that I put out for myself. So if you are into stuff like that, make sure you press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, so you get notified when the new videos come up. After I'm done my laundry, I move on to tidying up the bathrooms. My kids' bathroom is one place that drives me absolutely bonkers, but I just do it just to make their life a little bit easier. And so all I do is I take a microfiber cloth and I wipe down the sink and the toilet, and I do a swoosh in the toilet if it's necessary with the toilet brush. Next, I like to make my bed every single morning and tidy up my bedroom, so that way when I go at night it's nice and clean. However, since this was Sunday, this is the one thing that is different. On Sundays I change out my sheets because I have a bit more time in the morning, so I'd like to do that every Sunday. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, the reason why I have two playpens in my bedroom is because I run a home daycare, and playpens is where the infants sleep, and I haven't had a chance to put them down, and there's absolutely no point of putting them down now, since I would have to put them back up on tomorrow morning. So they just I usually have one in my bedroom and one in my daughter's room, so she just moves the one out of her room into my room and when she's doing her cleaning. I also want to mention that if you're not following me on Instagram, I think you should. I post daily doings every day in my story, and I share all sorts of different stuff on there, cooking, just whatever's happening that day. So if you're interested in something like that, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page as well as a blog. Now, blog is a great place to get some recipes, even tutorials and things like that, some ideas. So lots of stuff on my blog, and everything is under Domestic Diva 76 blog. So not only do I wash my laundry every single day, I also put it away right away that morning, so that way I don't have piles of laundry piling up. I have been doing this for several years now, and I have definitely cut down on the amount of laundry that I have to work on at a time.
We are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got...
So once I'm done in my bedroom, I like to tidy up my bathroom as well. Pretty much the same idea as the kids' bathroom. I just tidy it up and put everything and wiped everything down with the microfiber cloth. I have lots of microfiber cloths. These are the cheaper kind that I just buy at, since I'm in Canada, at Canadian Tire, and so I just use a clean one for each bathroom.
Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you an inspiration to start your morning right. I feel like if I don't do this, I failed at the first thing that I set out to do, so I do this religiously every single morning. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
We got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. We are young and we got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty